Welcome automotive modelers to the Mile High Scale Modeler channel. This is the MPC 1975 Datsun Pickup that was re-released back in 2017. There is a family friend who owns a Datsun truck, and a family member wanted me to build a replica for him as a Christmas gift. Here's a picture of the one-to-one I was building in scale. This was a build I started and finished in fall of 2018. This was my first try at building outside box stock and my first attempt at weathering. The ride height was the first issue I had in this kit, and it's something I envy that I didn't try to do a better job fixing to match the one-to-one. At this point, when this model was built, I had only been building box stock and building for only 3 years. This was my first build. I went outside the box, and of course my first attempt at weathering. The engine was plumbed and painted using my airbrush. I used 3 to 4 different shades of Model Master metallizers. I also used a black wash to give some depth to the engine. For the green body color, I mixed 2 Tamiya acrylic colors to achieve a close match. I primered the entire body in Duplicolor red oxide. I laid down a few coats of Vallejo orange rust where I knew I wanted to show to match the one-to-one, along with a top layer of a darker Vallejo rust color. I used MIG chipping fluid for the rust effect on the fender. Weathering the top of the cab, I used a mixture of MIG chipping fluid and the salt technique to give the look I was going for to match the one-to-one. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Comment below if you've built a weathered model and any issues you had.